In this video, I'm going to show you how to access Rubik.lk's bulk SMS feature, how to log in and how to schedule a campaign. First, you need to log in by visiting this link sms.rubik.lk and entering your account credentials, your email and your password. Right. Once you're inside, you will see several options. If you wish to change your password, can click change password and enter details, your new password as well as your old password. Okay, once I'm inside contact list, these are the lists which I have already uploaded. Let's say I need to upload a new list, so I simply have to click add contact list and set a name. I'll say test list, and I need to choose the contact list file. Okay, so when I submit, my list will be uploaded and it will show the number of contacts which I have uploaded. It says 209. Okay, if I go on the message templates, it will show the already uploaded templates, and if I need to enter a new template, I simply have to click add template. I need to enter a title and the message and submit. So my message template is saved here. And finally, under SMS campaigns, these are the campaigns which have already been sent. Click send message and select the SMS mask or the from address you need to set. I'll pick one and select the number list which you just now uploaded and the message template. Also, if you need to send a custom message here, you can simply select custom and you can type your template name and submit instead of using a message template. So once you submit, your message will be sent to the entire contact list you have chosen here.